Hey, what's up? It's your Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we have a very big video, and I am so excited because we're finally going to be taking a look at the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Okay, so I'll start this off with a spoiler. It's beautiful outside and a beast inside, but we're gonna be diving in a little bit deeper to see just why I said this. But of course, since this is Unbox PH after all, let's take a look at the box. Despite being a standard-sized white box, it has a nice, clean, minimalistic design. You get the Redmi Note 10 branding in silver on both the left and right side of the box, with the words "with easy access to the Google apps you use most." Unlike most smartphone boxes, the back has absolutely no details at all. On the front, they're showcasing both the front display and the camera module. And strangely, even the clear case gets a feature. I haven't actually reviewed a phone with a clear case featured on the front of the box, but there's a first for everything. And maybe this is targeting people who are super maingat like me, who can't really stand using their phone without a case. Now for the contents, you get a SIM ejector tool, a 33-watt fast charger that comes with the package. Please never change. And you charge up with the USB-C cable too, one step closer to a micro USB free world with far less hassle. And it probably also comes with the usual documentation too, you know, the setup guide and the warranty, but our review unit didn't come with this. Now jumping in, let's take a look at the phone's design. We got ours in onyx gray, but we also have options for pebble white and lake green, but of the three, I really like the onyx gray. The finish has a slight gradient and it's very glossy, so it can catch some fingerprints. But that's what the included clear case is for. But unlike the other clear cases included with phones I've unboxed, this one was a bit more tight and harder to put on. And that's not a bad thing. It just means the phone is a lot more secure when it's inside the case. There's far less worry for anything like water or dust getting in. And maybe it was done to drill in the fact that we get IP53 splash proofing. And to further bolster the protection, we get Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 for the screen. On the left side, we only have a SIM tray, while on the right, we have the volume rocker and the fingerprint scanner, which is very responsive. Yeah, the phone has face unlock as well, which is a great feature to have, but if you're out with a mask, you'll be glad to have a print scanner. Up top, we have one half of the stereo speakers and an IR blaster. And below, we have the other half of the stereo speakers, the USB-C port, and a 3.5mm jack port. Some things just never get old, and I'm very happy that people will still be able to use their favorite wired speakers, headphones, and earphones. Next up, the display. You get 6.43 inches of AMOLED dot display, which means you won't just get vibrant colors and deep blacks, but sharp images as well. The only disruptor would be the punch hole for the selfie camera, but I'd pick this over a dewdrop notch any day. Going back, you'll enjoy all kinds of media on this for sure, especially since we have barely any bezel with a 20:9 aspect ratio. Not to mention the stereo dual speakers for some immersive sounds.
But I'm scared that I will be flayed, so just in case I have to say I don't wanna make the same mistakes. I'm gonna push you away.
And taking a video of media playing with the camera just does not do it justice. You really have to see it in person to really appreciate it. And you can use the phone and watch media with ease since it's low blue light certified by SGS. And at the same time, it can go real bright too, so no probs using it under the sun. It literally has Sunlight Display 2.0. Next up, another highlight, the cameras. We get a 48-megapixel wide-angle main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. So we definitely get some versatility here, and some ultra-premium text on the camera setup. But just how ultra-premium do the shots get? Check out these samples. I was very happy with the photos, even the ones that were taken with low light. Plus, you get some improved night mode. The photos were very sharp and handled color very well, despite having different lighting conditions. And here are some snaps from the 13 megapixel selfie camera as well. And again, they were also pretty good. Plus, take note that I turned on the beauty filter to nothing. The photos were 100% Instagram worthy, which reminds me, you can follow us at Unbox PH and you can follow me at Cholo_Tolentino. Oh, and it's also my birthday, and a follow would really mean a lot to me. Yes, she's beautiful outside and can definitely capture some beauty as well, but how does it fare inside? We have the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 chipset. And based on my time with it, I definitely felt the snappiness and got an overall smooth experience. But of course, only testing and time will tell us how much better this is than the other smartphones. Our model has 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 storage, the best of the available options. Thanks to this, MIUI 12 works very well and is as beautiful as ever thanks of course to the display. It even has a Z-axis vibration motor which, I don't know, feels more premium? Or maybe that's just me, but it's definitely something I did notice. Gaming-wise, it ran Genshin Impact real well, and I enjoyed farming again and again with this phone. But of course, only tests can tell us how well the numbers stack up. And it's also worth noting that the phone comes with Game Turbo software, which might help the game perform better. Now, thanks to everything I've said so far, it's clear that this phone can do a lot of things. And you'll be able to do just that and a lot of it, thanks to the 5000 mAh of battery installed. And if you ever need to head out and juice up fast, we have 33-watt fast charging, which again, thankfully is already included. So there you have it, a mid-range phone that basically hits all the birds with one pretty stone. Media, games, a smooth experience, and great cameras, you got it. Definitely a beauty outside and a beast inside, all for a good budget. We do not know the price as of making this video, but if you're planning to grab one, do it fast. We all know how quickly Xiaomi phones can go out of stock. Okay, so scratch that, because we just found out the prices. We have two variants coming to the Philippines. First is the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage variant. That's for 8,490 pesos. And the version that we have, that's 6GB RAM with 128GB of storage. That is priced at 9,990 pesos. Sobrang mura. So like sobrang sulit to, you get so much features for this and it's less than 10,000 pesos. Real good. Don't forget to check out the review on this and many other smartphones on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's right guys, subscribe because when we hit 250,000 subs, we're giving away a smartphone, so watch out for that. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop in videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo and I'll see you guys in the next one.